Okay, very bad. The beginning was very bad. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, not much better. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The mud is slippery, very slippery. Huh. Everything is a bit different now. I wonder, I think that's well, not the most complicated one, but it is complicated. Fucking hell. Yeah, one tree has fallen down here, so it will be hard for sure. And it already has a deep rut there, so yep. Okay, so this place, as I told already probably, is not so much fun because there's very little space, not a lot of place to get some speed, and the lines are pretty complicated, not the easiest ones for sure. Not as easy as you might think. Yeah, and that's also the tricky part, that you kind of either have grip or you don't. So you have to be either in the front or in the back, and yeah, not the easiest thing to do. All the lines are blocked. That one, this one. Well, that one, but already did that one. I would like to repeat it if there were none of those trees, branches in the way. Maybe we should open it up a bit. But I doubt any of us has some saws. Nope. Woo! No grip. Yeah, bit. The problem is that I can't lean my bike here and to keep the traction, because this tree is in the way always, and if I don't lean it, it slips off. I Almost! Fucking hell! Ah! Barely managed. Ah. That's why this is a hard place. Maybe I'll need to remove some pressure from my rear tire, because I might have quite a lot. I had a lot of pressure, I think, and now I have almost zero, I think, so yeah, it should be better. Let's try the same line. I hope I can make it all the way through this main line, but if not, I will try again the same path and see if I can get up that root ledge better with now zero pressure. Okay, very bad. The beginning was very bad. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, not much better. Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's a steep route. So, not surprising that it's actually pretty hard. Maybe I can try go there and then whew. Whoa! Shit! Ah! Fuck! Fuck me. This is a complicated line, but that's what we need in training, man! Problem is, there is a route here as well, so let's see if it's better with no pressure. Maybe a bit more traction. Fucking hell. A slow approach, all the weight on the outside peg and back. it for sure has more traction. Whew. Fuck, it's hard. And then 0 degrees becomes hot. It is super slippery, this part. And that's why it's super hard to get any speed, and then without speed you are just barely, you are keeping the speed but not accelerating, and then there by the root you don't have enough to go over it. So yeah, tricky. Shit! Ah! It was much better. The beginning was much better. No, fuck it, I'm going back down. Fuck me. Need to make it. It's a very good, challenging uphill, technical. You need to be on point everywhere. Balance, not losing traction, worth trying. No matter how annoying it is, not to make it happen. But it's super slippery here. I'm just going back on the blocked rear wheel. Fuck. Okay, one more time and then I'll go change something just to keep it more interesting. I'm going in soft map. Maybe I should try the aggressive map, but I'm not sure it's gonna help much. Let's try one more with soft. Fuck me! I'm getting closer. I'm getting the speed part better. Now I just need to kind of keep it there. But the ground is not helping as it's wet and very slippery. So here where I did the turn, it's nice. But here it just slips on the blocked rear wheel, so it's very clay-like material. So, and then there is that little lip which you have to kind of go over to at least get to that part. Okay, let's go try something else and then get back to this. Yep, not too hard. Ah! Fuck me, that's slippery. Whew. Need to take a breather. Okay, I will try the aggressive map now. The aggressive map was actually, I think, better. I don't know, I should try again with a soft map and see if it's just the repeating motion that made me go over, or the added snappiness of a aggressive map.